Alright, what's up guys? It's me here at the South Pole. I always feel nervous doing these videos inside in a public place, but I'm in the gym and I'm going to show you the gym, our weight room. I've showed you the big gymnasium, which is down here. The lights are off so you can't really see too much, but that's the main door for our weight room. And we've got some soft weights right here, starting from 2.5 down to 25 pounds. We've got our 2 million pound club, so if you can lift 2 million pounds over the course of the winter, you can track your progress here. That's the same weight that the LC-130s and like the Traverse that goes from McMurdo to South Pole and brings all our fuel. Apparently it's the same weight that they bring, so quite an accomplishment if you can do that. We call it the 2023 South Pole lift to McMurdo. So we also have the run to McMurdo, so you can run, how many miles here? 835 miles is the distance to McMurdo, so that's pretty cool. Got some cleaning supplies here, clean rags, empty rags. Got a punching bag right here. We've got the Bruce Lee speed bag right here. I've been practicing a little bit this winter. Not that great, but it is fun to hit around sometimes. Got some yoga balls, a half yoga ball right here. Got some more weights. This one is out of commission. This is, I think, is a stair stepper. Out of commission. Got a bike here, a bike here. An ab guy right here. Rowing machine. An elliptical, another elliptical. We got a working treadmill. We have a working treadmill and a working treadmill. We also have a speaker system up here, and it works. And we've also got this TV which works. Some DVDs you can watch here, and watch something. Here's us. Hello. We've got a, what is this, for bicep curls? Not sure what the name of this bar is. Here's the heavier weights, and these don't have rubber on them, so those are all here. Here is our squat rack. These are regular 45-pound bars. It's also, this is where we do deadlifting, so it's elevated so it doesn't break the floor. These are our dip bars. So these bars will go in here. There's a screw to put there so that you can keep this tight. We've got assorted jump ropes and yoga mats, all sorts of things down here, rollers, the belts over here for your waist. We have free weights here. We got 5 pounds, 25, 10, 35, and 45s, and I think those are 2.5s. You got your flat bench here. This also does incline. Got some of these guys down here. I guess they're called murder bars. We've got the heavier dumbbells here, 90 pounds. We got 100, 110, 80, 85. Some more plates. Smith machine for assisted squats, assisted bench press, whatever you want to do with it. Plates. And we've got a just a regular bench here, adjustable. So yeah, there's our dumbbells again. Got some hand sanitizer and AED. We've got a phone. And that was the outside. So the inside here, we've got the, what do you call this, leg curls, leg extension part right here. Got a shoulder bench thing here. Yeah, bench press, incline, shoulder press. Got what looks like we got a fly machine here, and then a hook. You can do triceps, anything with your back. So we do have 3 pull-up bars as well. We got this one here for kind of more of a flat. It's pretty wide. This one's a bit skinnier here. And we've got this guy up here, which you pretty much have to jump to get on that one. I'm 6'1", and I got to jump. So here are some rings for ring push-ups. We have kettlebells over here. Some medicine balls. And as you can see, the walls are decorated with flags and memorabilia from years past. So every year somebody typically leaves something and puts it on the wall. And there's a USAT flag up there. So that is pretty much a tour of the gym here at the South Pole.